Exercise 8.4, question number 5, now 7th part. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. This identity we will prove from left side to right side. That is, we will consider left hand side, we will simplify it and prove it equal to right hand side. So let us consider left hand side equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Let us take sin theta common from numerator and cos theta common from denominator. So we have sin theta common, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta, from denominator cos theta is common, so 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now 1 minus 2 sin square theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1, we have to manage them to cancel. And how we will do it? Sin square can be changed into cos square or cos square can be changed into sin square. So let us change sin square into cos square. So this is sin theta into 1 minus 2 1 minus cos square theta. In place of sin square theta in the numerator, we have written 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, and this is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is equal to sin theta into 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta 1 minus 2 minus 1 divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta, and this is right hand side, hence proved. Now 8th part. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This identity will prove simplifying left hand side. So we will take left hand side and we will simplify it and then prove it equal to right hand side. So let us take left hand side sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Let us use a plus b whole square formula and expand these two whole squares in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is equal to sin square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a plus cosec square a plus expanding this cos a plus sec a whole square, we get cos square a plus 2 cos a into sec a plus sec square a. This is equal to sin square a plus cos square a. Let us write together. Sin square a cos square a plus 2 sin a cosec a plus 2 cos a into sec a plus cosec square a plus sec square a. This sin square a plus cos square a 1 plus sin a into cosec a is also equal to 1 because sin and cosec, they are reciprocal of each other. So sin into cosec is 1 into 2, 2 plus this cos into sec also equal to 1 because they are reciprocal of each other. So cos a into sec a is 1 and into 2 is 2 plus this cosec square a plus sec square a. This is equal to 5 plus cosec square a, we can write 1 plus cot square a plus this sec square a, we can write 1 plus tan square a. So this is equal to 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, and this is right hand side. So hence proved. Ninth part. Prove that cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. In proof of this identity, we will simplify both sides, left hand sides as well as right hand side, and prove them equal, and identity will be proved. So let us simplify both sides one by one. Let us take first left hand side, which is equal to cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. First let us change this cosec a and sec a in terms of sin a and cos a. So 1 by sin a minus sin a into 1 by cos a minus cos a. 1 by sin a minus sin a will simplify like this: 1 minus sin a into sin a, sin square. So 1 minus sin square a by sin a. Actually LCM of denominator sin a and here 1 is taken sin a, and this simplification is done. So it is 1 minus sin square a by sin a into 1 minus cos square a by cos a. Here also LCM is taken cos a and simplified. 1 by cos a minus cos a, we have got 1 minus cos square a by cos a. So this is equal to 1 minus sin square a is cos square a by sin a into 1 minus cos square a is sin square a by cos a. Cos square a will be cancelled by this cos a, so one power will get cancelled, and similarly sin a will cancel this one sin a, and cos a into sin a is left. Cos a into sin a, or we can write sin a into cos a. So left hand side we have simplified and got sin a into cos a. Similarly, we are going to simplify right hand side. So let us take right hand side, which is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. So 1 by tan a and cot a we will change in terms of sin a and cos a. So tan a we can write sin a by cos a plus cot a we can write cos a by sin a. This is equal to 1 by, simplify the denominator taking LCM, which is cos a into sin a or sin a into cos a. So sin square a plus cos square a by sin a into cos a, and this is equal to 1 by sin square a plus cos square a 1. So 1 by sin a into cos a, which is equal to sin a into cos a. So right hand side also we have simplified and found sin a into cos a. Left hand side also we got the same result, sin a into cos a. So therefore we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this way this identity is proved. So hence proved. Now 10th and last part of question number 5. Prove that 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square equal to tan square a. So in this question we will first simplify this first part and prove it equal to tan square a. Then we will simplify this second part and prove it equal to tan square a. So let us take first 1 plus tan square by 1 plus cot square. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. This is equal to 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus 1 by tan square a. Cot square a we have written 1 by tan square a. So this is equal to 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a by tan square a. When this denominator 1 plus 1 by tan square a, you will simplify, you will find 1 plus tan square a by tan square a. So this is equal to 1 plus tan square a into reciprocal of this denominator. So tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a cancelled. So this is equal to tan square a. So we have simplified this first part and proved it equal to tan square a. Now we will simplify this second part. 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square and prove it equal to tan square a. So this is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus 1 by cot a, we will write 1 by tan a. So 1 by tan a whole square. Simplify it again. 1 minus tan a divided by tan a minus 1 by tan a whole square. This is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan a divided by tan a minus 1 whole square. Here is 1 minus tan a, here is tan a minus 1. So this further you can write one minus tan a into tan a by, let's write this tan a minus 1 as 1 minus tan a. 1 minus tan a minus sign we have to take common. So 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan a cancel and this whole square is there. So minus tan a whole square. Now minus square plus and tan a whole square is tan square a. So first part we simplified and proved it equal to tan square a, and second part also we have simplified and proved it equal to tan square a. Therefore we can write 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square equal to tan square a, and this way this identity is proved. So hence proved.